Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Your Body and Day, and today I will teach you how to an amazing recipe for frying pan cheese bread made at home. You who like eat something healthy for lunch. Well, this recipe is quick and very easy and doesn't need many ingredients. But before I pass this recipe on to you, I'm making it available, an all-natural supplement, to be helping you in your weight loss. There are no contraindications because it is a natural product, and if you follow using it correctly, will help you a lot in your weight loss, as it has helped many people regain your self-esteem again. I'll be leaving the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. The official website of this product only is made available on this channel. Do not buy elsewhere as you may be wasting your money. So if you already like the subject, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive many tips and healthy recipes. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients: an egg, 1/3 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1 cup sweet cornstarch, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste. Preparation mode: place everything in a bowl and mix until a homogeneous mass is formed. Heat a non-stick frying pan, pour some of the dough and fry like a pancake until the edges are golden brown. Is ready. Now just enjoy. Hope you liked the recipe. Leave it here in the comments if you liked it. A big hug, and until the next video.